bullshit did I just get myself into today, bro? I hopped on Roblox expecting to play a game that reminds me of my days as a toddler, and instead I get hit with some shit Prime Mike Tyson wouldn't even throw in the 80s. I really thought shit was sweet because I was playing Roblox, but oh boy, do I have some news for you, my nigga. On to the next fucking contestant I had to squabble with. This motherfucker got the meanest right hook I have ever seen in my fucking life. After I got mollywopped by that nigga, I pull up the camera to see this fucker. And holy shit, this nigga literally does a whole Street Fighter combo on my ass. I know this nigga's breath was kicking like a motherfucker, but it don't even matter because watch how bad he do me. After all that shit I just went through, I checked the cameras one more time and found out that there's another freaky ass nigga that was there waiting for me the whole time. And you expect me to still play this shit? Yeah, fuck no.